If you want make knuckles dey bring out water, if you want make bola dey knack well well, you want make e be say you fit knack for long, wetin you need na be this. You see all these ones wey people dey drink, all this tea wey you dey buy for supermarket, drink am, e no good for your body. That thing no good for your bola and knuckles. Una wey dey take oyibo medicine to knack, e no good for una heart. And at the same time, una when they take medicine to make sure say una fit dey for long, but una no dey take am again. See wetin you need. I put this thing inside here. E get another thing wey be like seed wey dey inside. That one, look am. I put am here. See am, make it not be like story. Look am. You dey see am? E dey pour inside here. That thing, now I dey take to knack. If I just put am inside, I go put this powder inside. When I put this powder, once I don't heat water like this, I go just pour hot water. Those hot water don't dey, I go just pour hot water. Once I pour hot water, put them back for fire. As that thing dey boil, now so my bola dey heat. As I take am, they make my bola vessel stand very strong, make me knack for long, go multiple rounds. If you want to go multiple rounds, now the way you need now be this. But guess what? Click the link where I did my bio. May you collect the recipe where you suppose they chop, tea where you suppose they drink, where go make your bola strong. Kakaraka, they inside that recipe. If you click the link where I did this video, or where I did the link where I did my bio, you go get what go make you the knack like odogu. Make because they bring up plenty water. And if your bekos not they bring out water like say na ocean one start for inside your bekos. See what you need. Not they take anyhow tea. Not they chop anyhow food. Fufu, amala, ewedu. They're good. Chop them. But if you want knack like odogu, you need to chop the recipe what I don't create for you for knacking. Get the knacking recipe cookbook right now. Get them. You go need them. Click the link where I did this video or the link where I did my bio. Not forget to follow me for more right now. I don't turn chef for knacking. Now because of you, may you fulfill the knack well. Plus man and woman, una need them. Get the book now.